Hello friend, today we are going to discuss about the Maxwell thermodynamic relation. That is the short tricks, how to remember Maxwell relation. We are going to discuss about the short tricks. S means entropy, H means enthalpy, that is pressure, that is Gibbs free energy, and that is T for temperature, that is Helmholtz free energy, that is volume, and that is internal energy. So what we will read? Del S by del V. Del S by del V. What is constant? Here to here, that is constant T. Next, del P by del T. Del P by del T. P here is V. Del P by del T. Here is constant. Next, del V by del S. Here constant is P. So here that is opposite sign, that is arrow of the opposite sign. Del V by del S, that is opposite sign, so here it is negative. Next, del T by del P. Del P by del T by del P. Del T by del P, here constant is S, here is negative. So it is two relation, and that is del H by del P. Del S by del P, that is constant is T, and here del V by del T. Del V by del T. Opposite sign is del V by del T, opposite sign is P, and here it is negative. Del V by del T, that is arrow of the opposite, that is arrow is opposite, P is constant, so that is negative. And next relation is del P by del S. Del P by del S, constant is V, and next is del T by del V. Del T by del V. Del T by del V, here constant is S, and that is sign is negative because that is going opposite. So these are the four relation. Next we are going to about the next four relation. Del H is equal to del S and del P. That is TDS, and that is del P means VDP. Sign is positive. Del H, then del S, and then del P. So del S, their constant is TS. Now del G. Del G is equal to dP, and that is dt. Del G is equal to opposite sign is V. Del G is equal to V, and that is opposite sign is S. So minus SDT. Del G is equal to VDP minus SDT. Next, dA. dA is equal to del V and dt. That is minus PdV, that is dt, minus SDT. So that is equation for Helmholtz free energy. Next we are going to build the internal energy. Del U is equal to, what is internal energy? That is del S, and that is del V. That is for TDS, and that is minus PdV. So these are the these are the relation derived from the Maxwell thermodynamic relation.